What if the Sun, in its final stages of expansion, were to swallow the Earth? This cataclysmic event would not only obliterate our planet, but also alter the very fabric of the solar system. Humanity, as we know it, would cease to exist, leaving behind only remnants of what once was a vibrant civilization. The relentless heat would cause the oceans to boil away, leaving the atmosphere choked with steam and ash. As the Earth is enveloped in fiery chaos, the landscapes we cherish would transform into desolate wastelands, forever lost to the universe. In this catastrophic scenario, the Earth's atmosphere would collapse under the immense pressure of solar radiation, generating violent storms and devastating climate changes. Astronauts, witnessing the destruction from afar, would embody the last echoes of humanity, grappling with the sorrow of a fallen world. As the debris from our shattered planet scatters through the solar system, it could potentially impact other celestial bodies, creating new havoc in the cosmic order. Yet, amidst this chaos, remnants of human ingenuity, perhaps even advanced technologies left behind, might spark the curiosity of future alien explorers. In this distant future, an alien species might observe the remnants of Earth, intrigued by the story of humanity's rise and fall. They could archive our history in their vast intergalactic libraries, ensuring that the lessons learned from our civilization are not forgotten, but rather serve as a cautionary tale for others. Ultimately, the extinction of humanity might pave the way for new life to flourish on other worlds, under different suns. This cycle of life and death is woven into the fabric of the universe, a reminder that while one chapter may close, another can begin anew, perpetuating the cosmic dance of evolution. As time passes, a new civilization may emerge on a distant planet, influenced by the echoes of humanity's achievements and failures. Celebrations among interstellar beings could revolve around the rediscovery of Earth's legacy, uniting diverse cultures in appreciation for the lessons buried in our past. In a striking cosmic alignment, hope and renewal emerge for a new species destined to inherit the universe. An ancient alien observer might ponder the intricate tapestry of history, contemplating how humanity's journey, despite its tragic end, has shaped the very essence of existence in the cosmos. This cosmic map would reveal the intricate interconnections between civilizations spread across galaxies, with Earth serving as a crucial chapter in the shared narrative of intelligent life. As knowledge and culture flow like energy between these worlds, the legacy of humanity might inspire countless others to strive for greatness.